Pity the fuel.
Okay. Come on, Bella.
I know you're afraid of the vacuum cleaner, but that doesn't mean you should be afraid of Winnie the Pooh. No, seriously, Bella. The vacuum cleaner. She isn't even allowed upstairs, and yet she's upstairs. That's a freaking vacuum cleaner. There's a cleaning people here. Let's either pick her up or you hold the camera.
Okay.
Oh God! No! No, finish my bucket.
Make sure my poo.
No, you look at that person. Oh my God!
Let's go.
Be steady with that camera.
I know what to do.
And do not drop it.
Oh
No, please no.
Make sure you don't get that pile of dirt right there.
Come on, let's go. Oh, and show. What?
It's like
Let me see the camera. Oh my God, you have to stay out. Okay, Gracie, this time we're just gonna lock the gate.
Guys, I'm getting ready to mop this floor.
Well, Bella's not supposed to be allowed upstairs. Julie Christopher! Bella's not allowed to be upstairs. I'm going. I'm not messing around.
Did you hear me?
Oh. Bella, just go down. I'll get a cookie. I'm gonna try and give her a cookie. Never mind. That shit would kill him. No! Come on, let's try and bring it downstairs again.
love you. I can't.
No, seriously, when Caitlin or whoever was here, yeah, when she exited out of the editor and I had my video, I seriously went like, kicked as hard as I can. Right?
Wasn't there the other day?
There.
So I was like, it wasn't there.
Yeah, I seriously kicked that hard, and I hope my mom and dad don't find out. Don't tell them.
I'm gonna tear your hair off. It looks like right. But I'm gonna tear your hair off.
Let's try and take her downstairs again.
I'll hold the camera out.
Come here, Bella. Well, actually, yeah, come upstairs for a second. No. Okay.
Ow!
Let's go.
Foot.
Oh, Lord, this is hard. Okay, we'll pick her up. Flat ground. No!
See, she knows your room in love.
Oh, I'm gonna abuse you in front of everyone. Okay, no, I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna tear your ears off.
Alright, come on. Actually, it's not hair, it's fur.
Whatever.
It's the clothes.
Ooh, your hair is so blonde and pretty.
Oh, thank you. Bella,
And I
it looks like she's fat, but on the inside, she's almost. Ow! Your claws!
Oh gosh. Make her leg is shaking.
Oh my gosh, Bella. Now do not move, or I swear, I'm probably gonna drop you on accident. Ow, your claws!
Okay, y'all need to find a seat.
Wait, we're going. Bella, stay. Oh, now she wants to go outside. Oh my gosh, she's gonna wussy off into a crate. Reggie, let's go. Bye, Bella. Leave this gate closed.
No. I can't, baby. I gotta do this wood.
I don't care.
I have to anchor down somewhere.
Hey guys, right now I am uploading a video to Facebook. See? Facebook. And I just uploaded one, The Crazy Psychopath Killer. It's on YouTube also. I made this like a long time ago. Well, not that long. A couple weeks ago. I just uploaded it to this, whatever. What's up? I pity the fuel. I like saying it like that. What's this? The shoe book. Seriously. Okay. Ooh, Kindle. Cute. You know, I never knew Kindles were for books. Whoa. Whoa. This thing just popped up. There's Rachel Ray, and then there's that one. Yes, I should seriously blur that out. Okay, I just did. Oh, there's Brent. If you all know Brent. Do you know Brent? His name is Brent Cotter. Oh my gosh. Brent's awesome. What the holy crap. Crap, man. Brent took a picture. This was with.
Good morning, USA. I got a feeling that it's gonna be a wonderful day. The sun in the sky has a smile on his face, and he's shining a salute to the American race. Oh boy, it's swell to say, good morning, USA. Good morning, USA. I got
What are you even thinking of? Ooh. Single one in hand. Okay, that's. I might know. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I do. Hey guys, this is Nick. Or whatever. I'm on Facebook still. I just posted something on my status. It says, what do you want to be when you grow up, and where would you want to work? For example, I want to work on Wall Street. Post a comment. Now guys, seriously, I want to work on Wall Street. It's fun. And then someone just posted, I want to be a singer. I can blow your face out.
Hey,
What?
go get my camera
Why?
and take a picture of me.
Why?
Because I want you to.
What? Oh, I thought you wanted me to go get it for you. I pictured a fool who falls in love with you. Something. I can't remember when I'm talking. How y'all like my new bathroom? Well, it's not finished yet. We still have to put 2 more coats on and then some other crap. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Wow! Wow!
Why are you in there?
Hey guys. Hey guys, my stomach is hurting. I have strep, I think. I probably have strep, I think, because there's a little pus ball in my tonsils. It's either pus ball, or a plaque.